Where adventure meets the everyday, extreme ironing takes the spotlight. Extreme ironing is an exhilarating blend of sport and chore that defies all norms.
Ironing, it's certainly not meant to be normal. Normal's boring. Oh wow! Oh me! I'm Matt from New Zealand, and I've been doing extreme ironing about 4 years. The idea with extreme ironing is to find the craziest place you can iron. A Scottish lake, up a hill somewhere, or sometimes on a cave is also good fun. It's important to look your best as well. We try and have a good suit jacket on, so you can really look good as you're doing your ironing. These rocks are pretty hot at the moment. Where am I going to plug this into? Hang on.
Today, we're diving into the world of extreme ironing to unravel the mysteries behind this unconventional hobby. We'll answer why people iron on mountain peaks or beneath the sea. With that insight, we'll craft a 5-step guide complete with interesting examples to extreme creativity. Alright, let's get into something wild extreme ironing. Yes, you heard that right. It's where the adrenaline of extreme sports crashes into the calm world of getting those shirts crisp.
There's a sport called extreme ironing. It involves competitors taking ironing boards to the most remote, dangerous locations possible and just ironing there. The obvious question is why, and the Extreme Ironing Bureau has an answer. It says that it combines the thrills of an extreme outdoor activity with the satisfaction of a well-pressed shirt. Extreme ironing has been successfully pulled off all over the world, including at Mount Everest Base Camp, on Mount Rushmore, and underwater at a depth of 42 meters. It has also inspired other extreme activities, including extreme cello.
This isn't just about pushing boundaries. It's about smashing together the most unlikely duo to spark real innovation. Think about the Wright brothers. Those guys were messing with bicycle gears one day and ended up inventing the airplane. Fast forward to today, where tech meets healthcare, and boom, we're saving lives with smart gadgets. This knack for mixing and matching? It's pure genius at work. So what's the deal with extreme ironing? It's not just for kicks. There's something deeper at play when you take ironing, of all things, to the extreme. It's a window into the kind of out-of-the-box thinking that's reshaped our world time and again. By exploring this wild hobby, we're tapping into the creativity that fuels innovation, peeling back the layers on what makes us tick and how we turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. At first glance, extreme ironing might seem like just another high adrenaline sport. But it's the fusion of the extreme with the mundane that piques our curiosity and begs the question, what drives this unique blend of activities? It's the ultimate challenge, combining the calm, focused task of ironing with the unpredictability of nature and adventure. It's about proving that anything can be fun, even a chore, when you add a dash of creativity and daring. This desire to inject excitement into everyday tasks is a testament to the human penchant for creativity and our innate need for novelty and stimulation. Extreme ironing, in its essence, is a rebellion against the monotony of daily routines, a symbol of how we can find joy and a sense of achievement in the most unlikely combinations. Expert, human creativity knows no bounds. Activities like extreme ironing satisfy multiple psychological needs: the need for novelty, the joy of mastery, and the deep human drive to express individuality. By merging contrasting activities, individuals not only challenge their limits, but also safely experience breaking free from societal norms, celebrating the diversity of human expression. Mashing up opposites to spark something fresh has always turbocharged human innovation. Take smartphones. They're a mashup of calls, computing, photos, and fun, all in your pocket. Or eco-friendly buildings that weave nature into cityscapes, boosting our health and the planet's. Just like extreme ironing, these game changers mix the unexpected to open up new worlds. They push us to think bigger, blend more boldly, and solve problems in ways we never imagined. The mindset that gave birth to extreme ironing, a blend of creativity, adventure, and the unconventional, can illuminate paths in areas far beyond the ironing board. It's about seeing the extraordinary in the ordinary, transforming the mundane through imagination and daring. Consider the world of gastronomy. where chefs like Ferran Audrey and Heston Blumenthal have revolutionized cooking by combining unlikely ingredients and techniques, much like the fusion of ironing and extreme sports. Or the realm of environmental conservation, where imaginative solutions like using drones for reforestation or converting plastic waste into wearable fashion demonstrate how thinking outside conventional boundaries can address critical challenges.
Australia is a global deforestation hotspot and the bushfires killed hundreds of millions of trees. We have to do everything we can to help grow more forests. That's why we need to innovate, such as with drones, to help grow more forests more quickly.
This approach, which we might call extreme creativity, urges us to rethink not only the hobbies we choose, but also the problems we face. It's a reminder that the most unlikely combinations can yield the most remarkable results. Innovator, by merging different fields and ideas, just as you would in extreme ironing, we've been able to approach old problems in new ways. It's about leveraging diversity of thought, experience, and perspective to build something transformative. After diving into the wild world of mixing the unmatched bee, at extreme ironing or the genius cooking of Ferran Audrey and Heston Blumenthal, it's time for you to kickstart your own creativity on steroids. Follow this quick guide to light up your creative fire and turn the everyday into something epic. Step 1. Cultivate curiosity. Begin by nurturing your curiosity. Look at your daily life through a lens of wonder, constantly asking, what if? Or how else can this be done? You can observe this approach reflected in Elon Musk's mentality in the next clip.
Full self-driving properly, you actually you have to solve real-world AI. Because you said, like, what are the road networks designed to work with? They're designed to work with a biological neural net, our brains, and with vision, our eyes. And so in order to make it work with computers, you basically need to solve real-world AI and vision.
Step 2. Embrace disparate elements. Draw inspiration from the likes of molecular gastronomy or innovative art. List down your varied interests, no matter how unrelated they seem. The magic lies in weaving these threads into a new tapestry of possibilities.
And the same thing with the chocolate that we're doing now on the table. It's like, why constrict ourselves to presenting food on a plate? We can come out and literally plate the entire course on the table surface, which breaks the boundaries of being restricted to a plate this big. Now we can scale it, and we can make it huge, and we can make people dig into it in a way that is not possible if you put food on a plate. I think the cuisine that we do...
Step 3. Challenge convention. Dare to challenge convention. What new forms emerge when you look at the world upside down? Innovation often begins where convention ends.
I'm Roger Penrose, a professor of mathematics and a cosmologist. I've spent over 60 years examining some of the most complex scientific questions that govern our existence. My research into the nature of black holes led Stephen Hawking and me to a new way of thinking about the Big Bang. In my work, I've often found that scientific concepts can be best expressed in concise images, and I'm always drawing and doodling.
Step 4. Prototype and experiment. Like a scientist in a lab, prototype your ideas. Test them, tweak them, and test again. This iterative process is crucial for refining your creative vision into something impactful. Think of prototyping and experimenting like what the Mythbusters do. They take a hypothesis, build a prototype to test it, and then iterate based on the results.
In this line, it's 150 psi. When I hook it up, it's just going to pass that onto the tire, and if the tire is sufficiently weakened, it's going to blow. Exploding tire, hopefully. Final test. In 3, 2, 1. Come on, baby! Come on. There we go. That was it. That was it? It looks just like a zipper.
Step 5. Share your creation. Finally, unveil your masterpiece to the world. Whether it's through social media, community showcases, or blogs, let your creativity inspire and engage others. Your journey could spark a chain reaction of innovation. It's a blueprint for extreme creativity. The world is your canvas, ripe with possibilities waiting to be discovered. What will you create? Share your ideas and projects with us in the comments below. Let's inspire and be inspired. If this journey has inspired you, share your thoughts and creations with us. Like, share, and subscribe for more journeys into creativity. Together, let's make the ordinary extraordinary.